The Military Aeronautical Pentathlon is a polyathletic sport competition which embodies appropriate basic physical education and training methods for the Air Force military personnel. It is composed of a flying contest and a sport contest. It is a tool to bring together soldiers from several countries in a framework of CISM. The flying contest is a low-level navigation competition in which the competitor, man or woman, acts as a navigator. The sport contest is composed of 6 disciplines: shooting, swimming, fencing, ball, obstacle run, and orienteering. Commander Edmond Petit from the French Air Force created Aeronautical Pentathlon in 1948. At that time, he conceived the idea of organizing a sport competition for the flying personnel to train and test the physical fitness and improve the general conduction in terms of self-protection and professional improvement. The disciplines were chosen so that the physical and psychological attributes were similar to those required by military pilots in combat activity: strength, agility, coordination, accuracy, self-control, speed of reasoning, force, fast response, among others. Each competitor has to participate in all 6 disciplines and is classified in the overall individual classification of Aeronautical Pentathlon. The whole competition was embodied with a special pilot spirit, which is individualistic and fraternal, daring and sensible, deliberate and prompt. To date, MAP is still considered in many countries as the ultimate fitness test for the Air Force personnel. Since its inception, more than 50 editions of CISM World Championships have been performed. Sweden is the biggest winner, both individually and in teams. Countries like Finland, Spain, Brazil, and Turkey are others who also achieved great results in this traditional military sport. The universe of Aeronautical Pentathlon is truly international and is open equally to men and women athletes. This discipline is possible to be practiced by the armed forces from all continents. Worldwide Air Force authorities are kindly invited to share the familiar and healthy environment experienced during MAP championships, and therefore create the best conditions to develop this discipline internally as a method of good training and improvement of professional military skills. The competition usually lasts 90 days, including arrival, flying contest, sport contest, optional cultural day, and departure. 12 airmen and women from all armed forces on active duty, no matter the rank, compose each team. Other military personnel, exclusively from the Air Force, are also welcome. However, in this case, at least 2 competitors per nation have to be either a pilot or a navigator. The winner of the flying contest, as well as the male and female teams, receives a trophy. Furthermore, medals are distributed for the best 3 athletes. Doping tests are carried out during the championship, as a detailed briefing is given during the opening meeting, momentous in which the order of the competitors is defined by drawing of lots.